Hey there, are you tired of looking at numbers for insight into your data? Or have you exhausted your coding skills to find new patterns in your data? Well, then AWS is offering just what you need. You can now visually analyze your data with the help of Amazon QuickSight. Amazon QuickSight is a cloud powered business intelligence service that lets you deliver easy to understand insights to anyone in the organization. Of course, if they're allowed to access them. Now, the question that might arise is how do we feed your data to Amazon QuickSight? Well, it connects to your data wherever it is. You can directly upload your files, for example, spreadsheets, and can also connect to native AWS databases like RDS or S3. Apart from that, it can even connect to third-party databases that are present both in cloud or the on-premise databases by connecting to the servers, including MySQL servers. But where is this data exactly uploaded to? Well, that data goes into Spice, the brain behind Amazon QuickSight. No, not the Spice. It stands for Super Fast Parallel In-Memory Calculation Engine. When you import data into a dataset rather than using a direct SQL query, it becomes Spice data because of how it's stored. It's engineered to rapidly perform advanced calculations and serve data. And also, the Enterprise Edition offers add-on security features like federated users, groups, and single sign-on with AWS Identity and Access Management Federation, and also highly secure data encryption at rest. Now, when you create or edit a dataset, you choose to use either Spice or a direct query unless the dataset contains uploaded files. Ingesting your data into Spice can save time and money. How? Well, your analytical queries process faster. You don't need to wait for a direct query to process, and data stored in Spice can be reused multiple times without incurring additional costs. If you use a data source that charges per query, you're charged for querying the data when you first create the dataset and later when you refresh the dataset. Spice capacity is allocated separately for each AWS region. Default Spice capacity is automatically allocated to your home AWS region. For each AWS account, Spice capacity is shared by all the people using QuickSight in a single AWS region, whereas the other AWS regions have no Spice capacity unless you choose to purchase one. QuickSight administrators can view how much importing data into Spice capacity you have in each AWS region and how much of it is currently in use. A QuickSight admin can purchase more Spice capacity or release unused Spice capacity as needed. Well, how do you plan your capacity for Spice? There's a formula for that. Spice needs 8 bytes per field for decimal, int, and date fields. For each string field, Spice needs 8 bytes plus the UTF-8 encoded character length. So let's say your data contains a table with 5 million rows that you want to import to Spice. Let's say this data has 30 numeric fields, 20 date fields, and 10 string fields of 100 bytes each. Then your total logical row size in bytes will be 30 times 8 plus 20 times 8 plus 10 times 8 plus 100, which equals 1480 bytes for each row. Now we multiply this row size with the number of rows and then we get a final estimate on size of Spice capacity needed. So 1480 times 5 million will give you approximately 7.4 billion bytes, which is approximately 7 gigabytes. Now that the data has been processed in Spice, then comes your visual analysis part. You can plot your measures and dimensions in visuals, and the visual plots come in various shapes and forms. These include bar charts, pie charts, scatter plots, tree maps, word clouds, geospatial charts, and many more. Amazing, isn't it? Apart from this range of visual types, it can also automatically make reliable forecasts, automatically identify outliers, find hidden trends, act on key business drivers, and translate data into easy to read narratives like headline tiles for your dashboard. But these aren't the only benefits of using Amazon QuickSight. There are more than a few features that makes it stand out in the crowd. Collaborative analytics with no need to install any application. All of it is on cloud. Publish and share your analysis as a dashboard, and you can enhance your applications with these embedded QuickSight dashboards, speeding up time to market and saving on development costs. You can empower users with interactive filtering and drill downs in QuickSight dashboards, and also iteration is faster with easy updates via QuickSight UI or APIs. And you don't need to manage granular database permissions. Dashboard viewers can see only what you share. Another amazing feature is that insights can be automatically delivered to your inbox. Users need reports, visualizations, and insights quickly so that they can act immediately when unusual business events occur. With Amazon QuickSight, you can automatically generate and schedule reports that are delivered to your inbox on a scheduled due set. This allows you to drill into the underlying data for further exploration and to identify any business patterns and trends. The in-memory engine Spice responds with blazing speed, as we discussed before. No upfront costs for licenses and a low total cost of ownership. Yes, for an author role, it can cost up to 3 times less than its competition. And it also comes with an option to upscale the Spice capacity from what is pre-provisioned, chargeable at a minimal cost per GB. QuickSight has developed a good amount of client base since its launch in 2015. The list of customers includes the German company Siemens, a leading supplier of power generation transmission systems, the Swedish automobile company Volvo, as well as the National Football League. So these were some features and benefits of using Amazon QuickSight for your data insights. What are your thoughts about it? Drop your comments in the comment section below.